I'm gonna read.
Okay.
A, E, I, O, U. Ba, de, bi, bo, bu. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. A, ko. Ako.
What
That's
is
me.
that's you. Okay.
Ba, ka. Baka.
What is baka?
It's look like a cow.
It's a cow.
Yeah.
Oh, next.
That's in the alpha blocks.
Next.
T, ko. Kiko. Kiko.
Who is Kiko?
That's look like Tita.
No. I don't know who's Kiko. Next. Next.
He's laughing. This one?
This one.
That one? Kaka.
What is kaka? Kaka.
Inakakanta?
No. Kaka is tita.
Opo.
In Quezon, kaka
Sorry.
is tita. Next.
Ko. This one?
This one.
Ku. Ko. Kuko.
What is kuko?
Like this. Fingernails.
Okay.
Just
Next.
added fingernails.
Next one. Faster.
Ba.
No, this one. This one.
Ba.
This one.
Bu. Ko. Buko.
What is buko?
It's not coconut tree.
It's a coconut.
It's coconut tree, yes.
Next. Faster.
Ba. Cuba.
What is Cuba? Yung slender yun.
Nakakinta.
Next.
Gaganon na.
Next one.
Abaka.
What is abaka? It's a tree.
Yeah, I have a tree. There's so many trees of that.
Come on. Last one. Come on. Faster.
Kabibi.
What is kabibi? It's a shell.
Shell.
It's she shells. Kabibi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, watch.